Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm your host Kim, and in this episode, we're diving into the world of media players. VLC has been a favorite for many of us, but did you know there are some incredible alternatives out there for Windows 10 and Windows 11 users? That's right. Today, we're exploring the top 5 VLC media player alternatives that could change the way you experience your media. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have PotPlayer, developed by Kakao. This powerful media player supports a wide range of video formats and codecs. What sets PotPlayer apart is its ability to optimize playback to match your system, ensuring smooth performance even on lower end PCs. Plus, with its extensive customization options, you can tailor your viewing experience exactly how you like it. PotPlayer is praised for its efficiency and the ability to play video smoothly without hogging system resources. It supports a vast array of video formats out of the box, meaning you rarely need to download additional codecs. Now, moving on to number 4, it's KMPlayer. This player is renowned for its comprehensive file support and rich subtitle functionality. If you're someone who loves watching international content, KMPlayer subtitle library and synchronization features are a game changer. Not to mention, it's pretty slick in design too. And it has unique features like subtitle library and sync. It automatically searches and syncs subtitles for the video being played. VR video support. It offers a solid experience for users exploring VR content. Codec Finder services. It helps you finding missing codecs for unsupported file formats. Taking the third spot, we have KMPlayer. This is a versatile media player that stands out for its high resolution video playback capabilities, supporting up to 8K UHD. For those of you who are particular about video quality and love tweaking advanced settings, KMPlayer offers an array of options to enhance your media playback. KMPlayer is a robust choice for enthusiasts who demand crystal clear video quality and detailed customization options. At number 2, say hello to Media Player Classic, Home Cinema, or MPC-HC. This one's the lightweight, open source media player that many consider the spiritual successor to the classic Windows media player. Its minimalistic design belies its powerful capabilities, including smooth playback of 4K videos. Plus, its low resource usage makes it perfect for older systems. MPC-HC is valued for its simplicity, efficiency, and lightweight nature. It's designed to be fast and straightforward, providing a no-frills experience that focuses on playing your media smoothly. And finally, our top pick for the best VLC media player alternative is Fubar 2000. While primarily known for its audio playback excellence, don't underestimate its video capabilities. Fubar 2000 offers a highly customizable interface, advanced tagging capabilities, and a modular design that lets you add just the features you need. It's the go-to for audiophiles and anyone who values a tailored playback experience. Through its modular design, users can add components for added functionality, making it as simple or complex as desired. It offers powerful tools for managing and organizing music libraries. Like MPC-HC, it's great for systems with limited performance, ensuring smooth playback without affecting your PC's overall speed. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 VLC media player alternatives for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Each of these players brings something unique to the table, so why not give them a try and see which one suits your media consumption habits the best.